This is Quiraing on the Isle of Skye in Scotland, and it's one of the best hikes. Most people say it's the best hike. It's 2 hours, 2 hours and a half. It's wonderful. There's sunshine, so let's have a look.
This is the welcoming committee when I arrive. This area looks like another planet. Yes, I want to hike here. I notice you have 3 choices. Option 1 is the easy route, a 30-minute walk to see the iconic Needle Rock Formation. It is 80% of the views for 20% of the work. Option 2 is the full loop. This is the ultimate 6.4 km challenge. Hike it anti-clockwise. Otherwise, you have to do the hardest and steepest part first. And option 3, for experts only, adding a challenging climb up to the secret spot called the Table. I'm going to do the round trip. It brings you to the top of the mountains and the valleys below. On my hike, I hear a whoosh. I don't know where to look. Suddenly, I see someone paragliding. He passes me again and again. He's flying through the air like a bird. What a sight! It is not a difficult hike, but you have to prepare. The weather in Scotland is very unpredictable and your trip can end in a disaster. Expect 4 seasons in 1 hour. And in the summer, you need bug spray for the tiny biting insects called midges. The trail is wide and views are everywhere. Every now and then it gets very narrow. The landscape is just amazing. I understand why the Scots have given the most iconic rocks names, like the Needle, the Prison and the Table. It feels like you found a secret video game level. You will probably see a muddy part on this hike. It rains a lot here, but this is where I saw this dog having a wonderful time. And now, for the most important part. The weather here can be deadly. If fog appears or the wind gets dangerously strong, turn back. There is zero shame in quitting. So was waking up early to climb a giant cliff in Scotland worth it? 100% yes. The Quiraing isn't just a hike, it's an otherworldly experience. This landscape is so unbelievable it feels like you're lost. If you come to Skye, you have to do this. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, slap the like button. And if you want more insane adventures like this, subscribe right now. Have you ever hiked Quiraing or do you dare to try it? Tell me in the comments. If you like this video, you might like this adventure as well.